In this video, we will show you how to adjust your Bliss motor's speed. To increase the speed of your motor, take your remote and remove the battery cover. Press the P2 button and the motor will jog and beep one time. Next, press the up button and the motor will jog and beep once. Press the up button a second time and the motor will jog twice and beep once. This confirms that your speed has been increased. To decrease the speed of the motor, press the P2 button on the back of the remote and you'll get a jog and a beep. Press the down button and the motor will jog and beep again. Press down one more time and you'll get 2 jogs and 1 beep. This confirms that your motor speed has been decreased. If you try to increase or decrease your motor speed and there is no response from the motor on the second button push, that means your motor is already at the highest or lowest speed available.